Hello people and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial guys, I'll show you how you can get free gold and free silver for War Robots game. Free and easy guys and really safe. So you don't have to download any apps or jailbreak your phone. So you can do it with your Android like I do now or your iOS device. Let me show you guys how it actually working. I ordered 1 million gold and 1 million silver. So let's test it together guys. We will test it live. Does it actually work? It's my username. You will need for later injection for generating. It's really safe guys and it's free and fast, so you don't have to worry about it really. Okay, what we got here guys, it's going up to 1 million. Let's wait it so we make sure that it's working 100%. What we got here, okay, nice guys, it's up to 1 million. So let me show you guys how you can get your resources for your account and your phone. So go on Google or any browser you got guys and navigate to this website. It's called appinject.me with slash in the middle and search for your game. In our case it's War Robots. Yep, click there and wait a little bit. So what we got here, it's War Robots cheat tool. It's most important thing for injection guys. So let's select our resources. I'll go with 1 million gold and 1 million silver. Click generate or username downtown 99, it's mine, and select your platform guys. I'll go with Android because I'm currently on Android. It's really important to select and wait it a little bit so it load our resources and prepare for our device guys and our account. So I think it won't last long, so we will just wait it easily. So you can do it guys with your Android or your iOS device. It's really not important. Okay, what we got here guys, it's human verification. Click verify and download 2 apps. After completion your resources will be sent to your account. So guys, this site is often overloaded because many guys and many people trying to get their resources. So it's just simple human verification. So you have to click on verify and do 2 offers here, and guys, it will generate your gold and silver in your account. Just click there and tap to install. I won't do that now because I already have my resources, but I'll just show you how to do it. Or if you get this survey, just complete it. It's really easy guys. Or you even can watch the video, it's their example. So it's everything you have to do guys to get your resources for War Robots game. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys. Bye.